Nazinada.
My name is Hidayah.
Today we're gonna make frisbee.
Yeah, in pieces.
So it's a very easy DIY frisbee we're gonna make. You just need paper plates and masking tape. And if you want, you can decorate your frisbee with marker. So take 2 paper plates, stack them together like this. You should have the inside of the paper plate facing another inside of another paper plate. Connect them together, you'll get a frisbee shape. Then take your masking tape out. You need to tape it around the edges, but I'm going to tell you something. Do not, you gotta not fill one gap, okay? That I'll tell you later why. You guys can make with me since I'm not Hidayah. So we keep it one open side and 2 open side. Stick it together. So we are going to make a long piece. Oh, I don't want to cut my arm. Okay. So I can hold it properly. Wow. This tape is sticky. Okay.
Sticky metal.
You know, this tape is stickier than I thought. Okay. Now, if you don't have any ready, you can stick it onto the table and then put it in the center and then slightly unroll it and make it attach right here. Now, take another piece. Okay, I think this is enough. Yeah. Before it rolls again. Okay. Do it. See? Now there's a hole. You take a small piece of tape containing. Not now. Okay. Oh, look, come on. Oh my goodness. Why suddenly this scissors didn't work? Okay. I'm gonna write, what do you want to draw? X and what? A heart or a star?
A heart.
Okay. An X and I. Okay. So now we're going to do the design. It's totally up to you. If you want, you can do first design and then stick it, or you can do stick and then design. And my butterflies finish.
And my catty finish.
Now see, some areas are not working, like the opposite from me, it's very bumbly. So I'm gonna open this, put it back here. See? You can see a hole. And press it tight, and then put this back on. Now let me see. Yeah, it's better.
Yeah,
I think
right?
more air inside. Old frisbee here. It's here. The old frisbee. We tried drawing faces instead of cute stuff.
Go! How dynamic! Whoa!
Let's start the competition, Hidayah. Okay, you start food first. Okay, now my turn.
Now my turn. Now it's my turn.
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh no, Hidayah's got bent. We can show you an example now.
Whoa!
Hidayah, don't bend mine. We have a hole. Go. Now, Hidayah.
Check out your. Okay, no bend, no bend. Okay, up on. Then my turn. Whoa, this is my turn.
These bottles on. Okay, we put one here. take your thing and try knocking those. Yeah. Oh! Okay, now my turn. You can take your thing off.
Let's see, I can't do it.
No, it's Hidayah! Now your turn is done. Take it.
Okay.
No, Hidayah! Hidayah, stop it.
I want my share.
No, enough, enough, enough. No. Okay, yeah. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. It's very fun to make this and very easy. It's almost like everything is at home. You can even play this at home with your siblings, park, beach, and it's very reusable. Bye guys!